Glitchtrap. At least I think that's what this character's called. Another freaky bunny from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with the eyes. So, circles, right? So basically, center point, my page is about here. The eyes will be along that halfway line. And then we'll just go for a circle to get us started. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing does. So we go around. If you like perfect circles, use a compass. Nothing wrong with that. And then the eyelid line curves that way. And then we got these like spiky eyelashes. And they are black. And they're just kind of sitting like spikes just here. Right? So, purple eye. And then pupil. Doesn't have to be in the middle because it's got like this zombie-like stare in its eyes. So it doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle. It can be a bit weird looking. Okay. Other eye. So circle, we're kind of like head tilted, right? So you could do it straight across if you wanted to do the head like more straight, but he's got this like creepy head tilt. So we're going to try and maintain that. So we're going to like drop this eye down, say maybe in line with the eyelid, sort of there, right? So we're just doing it on a horizontal, or a diagonal, sorry, not a horizontal, rather than horizontal. Okay, so just another circle, slightly lower down on our line there. And then the eyelid line comes across there. And then we got those eyelashes again, little spiky black. They're kind of like thorns on it, you know, on a rose or something. Purple eye. And then black circle. So like weird eyes, right? But makes them look creepier. So the eyes then are joined together with this sort of curved line, like that. And I'll just darken up this line a bit, because it's kind of sunken into the head. Okay, floating eyes. Eyebrows, just above, right? Big arched eyebrows like that. And you want to be able to color them in, so we go around that line again. Boop. Spiky on the end. And round at the front. So, little button nose here. Just kind of like an oval shape, it looks like. No nostrils really to speak of. And then the mouth line just curves around here. Come down this way then. Same on this side. And then the white part of the face comes out from around the eye. Curves around that mouth. And then these join together underneath. Just a curved line brings it all together for the face. So looks like the mouth is closed, but we're going to open it up by adding a bottom lip just around in here. And then he seems to have like red gums. It's little things like that that make them look even weirder. It's just another sort of little line there. And then the big rabbit teeth come out the center. Right, and then the bottom teeth just come around here. That's all black in the back, it looks like. Right, so you got like teeth lines here. Right, just black shadow in here and here. Okay, so then there's like the nose line. So there's like, it's got a real like rat-like pointy nose. So there's like a little light line just going this way. And then it sort of curves around from the nose as well, down around the face here. So whiskers, so he's got like two, and they're kind of like pieces of wire or something. One going that way. You can do them any way you want, really. So I'll just mark them in and then I'll thicken them up. Okay, and then I'll just make them a bit thicker and darker. Just going over them again. Because they're like thick pieces of wire or something. So, top of the head. So we'll go around. Like that. And there can be like some stitching, like teddy bear sort of stitching sort of stuff. X's and little dashes and stuff that go across there. And then the big rabbit ears come up. One there, another one up here. All right, and there's like a fold there. And then we have pink sort of sections with stitching coming around them as well. And you can add just those stitch lines just around the line, like on top of the line. Right, same thing over here. Okay, so big purple bow tie, right? So it's just tied here in the sort of center. And then comes up underneath the chin. Then the waistcoat comes down from the bow tie. 2 curved lines going out that way. And then another one on the shoulder going down the body there. And then there's 2 buttons in the middle. And then there's like a neckline. You could just barely see it. Shoulders come out and down. And then there's like a stitching line on the body here, or on the shoulder even. And then the arm seems to just go down by the waistband, the waistcoat, sorry, line here. And then there's like stitching on this as well. Boop. So it's kind of like a dirty character as well. So you want to like put dots and, you know, FNAF do like fairly rough looking things. Just little dots and texture lines like this help, or can help. And that's it. Glitchtrap. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.